Hello, sir. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir.
Please tell me about yourself.
My name is Mahesh. I am 28 years old. I am from Nepal, Ilam. I am unmarried. I have 7 members in my family. My education is +2. First, my height 5.6 and weight is 60 kg. I am medically fit and fine. I have 2 years of experience as a pig farmer in Nepal. I want to come to any European countries as a pig farmer to earn money and support my family's score my future. I am hardworking and honest person. I will complete my contract of 2 years. Also, I will follow the company rules and policies. Thank you.
अब अहिले नगरपालिकाले छोडेछ नि त राम खतरा छ नि अब त्यसो
चारो दिएको 6,000
थोरै हाल्छ यस्तो गरौँ
चारो हालिदिउ न
दुईटालाई हाल्छ यस्तो गरौँ न यो 200 को तिमीलाई चिसो यो साह्रै गुनेर छ सुन्नुहोस् मलाई त उठिजान्छ नि त